Monday, and my beautiful mom and sister just brought my sewing machine over. Here's beautiful mom. Faith does not want to be seen.
Bringing her presents.
Yay!
Here's some dog dishwashing. Here's your Valentine's gift.
Oh, thank you.
Here's wine.
Oh no.
Okay, then.
What is that? A
It's
top?
A top. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
And then here is a practice fin that's lighter.
A tail?
Tail. Fin. Tail.
A tail skin?
Yeah. And then
Oh.
a little white bikini top that you can put shells and stuff on. Isn't this cute?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
I know.
Oh, thank you.
I know.
Thanks, Mom.
I'm just supporting you in your passion.
Why'd you say it like that?
I am.
So it's much later in the day, and I have just been trying to reteach myself how to sew because I haven't done anything on the sewing machine since like 6 months ago. But I have my fin here, and I'm trying to get it, my fin cover here, and I'm just trying to get it pinned up and ready to be sewn. I've also completed editing, and I am rendering my episode 2. So if you haven't seen that yet, you can go ahead and go watch it and then come back to this video. I am going to Mermaid Con at the end of the week, over the weekend. So that is what I'm gearing up for right now, and I have a lot to do. So most of this week's vlog will be gearing up for that. So there's a lot of fun and exciting stuff that's gonna happen. Good morning. It is Tuesday, and I am sitting down to start this project and get it done. And then I'm hoping to go swimming today, and I have a call with a potential client also this evening, so things are going well. I just need to deliver a tail and authenticity and all that kind of stuff and a business. So that's what we're working on. I did it. As far as did it, I mean, sewed the sides. You know, it is really not the best. Like, I'm not a I'm not a seamstress, but I just needed to like work. You feel me? You know? So let's test it on the fin. I mean, I think it's all right. It fits, and that's really all I wanted, was it to just fit. Okay. I finished my fin project for this morning, so now it is time to go swimming. Got me this tail on Amazon. So I think I'm just gonna like try it out and practice with it today, and maybe try to take some pictures and just see how it goes. And I did test it, and it kind of fits around the Luna, but yeah, it's definitely not made for it. Thursday and I have my Invisalign in again because I wear it at night. And I am beginning to work on my top. And my idea is to take the leftover fabric from my fin and make individual scales and kind of like layer them on the top. So that's what I'm gonna work on tonight. Good morning, it's Thursday and the convention and audition is in 2 days and this is what I have right now. I have a lot to do today. I have to make a top and I started that last night by making like little circles for the scales out of the same fabric that my fin is made out of. And I have to make this, like fashion this so that it is velcroed or snaps together. I also have to make the waist belt for my tail because right now I have like my belly button sharpied in. But I got some stuff last night from home, like seashells. Oh yeah, there's my shell phone. And like cool beading and shells and stuff. So I'm going to be playing with that and adding it to my tail. Here is my idea for the waist belt to make it look better. Is I have some tulle material that's white, and so I was going to put seashells in it, like fold it in half but have the seashells inside of it, along with like these beads, and then sew it to the waistband. And I just think it would look really cool, like a mermaid pocket, and I collect little shells in my... I don't know how it's gonna look, but it sounds like a cool idea to me. And trying to get creative here. Morning, it is Friday, actually good afternoon. I just got back from a craft store extravaganza. Not really, I just went to two different craft stores to get E6000 pearl snap fasteners and pretty beads. And I'm gonna finish up those last minute things on my tail, which I will show you right now. There she is in all her glory. I, as you can see, painted with Pearl EX powders. Just did some like shading, you know, just to give some little dimension to the bottom. And I'm not sure, like I'm not gonna do this the whole way because I kind of like the white. I might do some more like at the top, some shading, but I kind of wanna, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Keep it white and sparkly. People dig that. I might put some like paint individual scales, this sort of like bronzy or gold, just to like kind of bring it all together, but I want to keep it mostly white. I made my big project yesterday, which I've not been that great at filming, so sorry, not sorry. I made this Velcro so that I can like take these pieces on and off. And yeah, just give me some more space to work with for like putting it on and off like the fin, because it's difficult and everyone just looks like they're struggling so much for like 20 minutes, and I wanted to avoid that, so I'm gonna see if it works and hope for the best. I made this. This is what I'm hoping to be my waist belt, and just sort of like an accessory, because, and there's like real shells and sea glass and like stones and stuff inside of it. And I just kind of feel like, I don't know, I thought it was a cool idea. How functional and like practical it is not really my strong suit in terms of coming up with things. But we'll see, you know, I'm just also a winging it kind of person. I think it's really cool and pretty. Right now, though, the big project is putting together my top and the bottom of my tail, because this looks awful, like so bad. So I made a bunch, and I mean a bunch, of scales that match my fin fabric. And I'm gonna put them all over my top and all over the bottom of my tail. So that's the big project right now. As I was sitting here like cutting out more scales, I finished The Office. And I cried a little bit, not gonna lie. Oh, so now I'm just in that feeling like of when you finish like a journey. Man, I will forever remember The Office associated with creating this mermaid tail. The night before Mermagicon, my boyfriend came over, my roommate was helping me. They did so many final touches and gave me lots of encouragement. Yeah, we stayed up super late, but I really appreciate all of the help. As you can see, they were doing for me in this time lapse. Thank you guys so very much for joining me on this journey. I'm sorry that the filming was a little sparse towards the end, but I was just really trying to get the tail done before my audition, which you can watch. It is up on my channel, so I will link it down below. And yeah, please subscribe because I plan on making a lot more videos and I really have enjoyed this process.